Good evening to everyone.
Say,
Yes, ma'am. So last we were talking about combinatorics and basics questions we were doing, and continuation after that. Combinatorics is the big chapters and questions used to come. So today mainly we'll discuss on those kind of situation when the including and excluding cases, as well as dearrangement cases. We'll talk about that things. Including means if I say, all of you heard about the little bit set collection. Anybody who don't know anything about the set? I will give brief revision if you are not knowing. Set is means collection, nothing else. It's just collection. Suppose if I say that there are two sets are there, A, and there is the another set is there, B. So A union B, that means either A or B or both. This is the way of writing. A intersection, this symbol is called the intersection. This means what? A and B both. Anywhere if it's coming this symbol, that means that key not A. If this symbol is coming, that means not B. Sometimes some books used to write A has also this B this way also. It the same meaning. There is no difference into this. If I say number of element in the A union B, this is the way of writing. N, whenever we write N of some set or collection, it's talking number of elements in A. In A. So imagine N of A union B will be what? Means I want A completely, I want B also completely. And A, this is the area when A and B both are involved. Means these are the element which is the part of A also, part of B also. I hope, can you understand? So if I say N of A union B means I want all the element of A plus all the element of B. But when I will do this job, this portion will come two times. In the NA, when I'm writing this element is coming, and B I writing, then also is coming. So minus N of A intersection B. Using this logic that we call it inclusion and exclusion cases. So on this basis, we are going to deal with the questions. I hope this part is clear to everybody. Right? So starting with the simple questions and then increasing the level. Let's get ready. Everyone, give me answer of this. I will give every question 2 to 3 minutes only. Try and type your answer in the chat box. Which part do you want me to explain? Which part you want me to explain? N of A union B means I want how many elements is there either in A or in B or both. So I will say that will be number of element in A plus number of element in B. But when I do this plus, what happen? There are the common elements are there between A and B. So that will come two times. For example, if I say A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Sreyank, it's correct answer. B contain your 4, 5, 7. So if I say N A union B, so I will say number of element in A union. You will say number of element in A, so plus number of element in B minus N of A intersection B. Check it here. N of A, how many is there? 5 element. Plus N of B is the 3 element. A problem is that 5 plus 3 is the 8. No doubt, total should be 8. But problem is that 4 and 5 is repeated. We should not repeat. So minus 2 I will do. That will become 6. I hope it's clear to you. Only one student given answer till now. Yes, Kunal, correct. Check it here. Suppose A represent number of numbers from 1 to 567 divisible by 3. And B represent number from 1 to 5 divisible by 5. Up think carefully. NA will be how much? Means how many numbers are there from 1 to 567? Yes, Ribhav, correct. Which is divisible by 3. How to check that number? Very simple. From 1 to N, I think in the sum of the session, I told this point also. From 1 to N divisible by some integer small m is equal to greatest integer of N by M. Greatest integer means integral part. Just divide it. Whatever integral part is coming, that is your answer. So if you want to know how many numbers are there which is divisible by 3 from 1 to 57, greatest integer of 5, 6, 7 divided by 3. And that will be equal to what? 3 ones are 3 and 2, 26. So 3 8 are 24, 2, 3, 9. 189 numbers are there. And number of element which is divisible by B will be what? 1, 5, 6, 7 divided by 5. So that will become 1 and 1 and 3. 130.
So, sir, um,
Yeah.
is my answer correct?
What's your name?
Dave.
Dev, I am not able to see your answer in my chat box. Please mention, said to me, my name will be there somewhere. Reshma, if anybody is sending answer to you, please forward to me. Yes, Dev, no, that is wrong answer, beta. Check it here. Now,
No, because it's either 3 or 5. So
no, that is wrong.
it's both of them combined, right?
Let me show you. I'm just discussing this. What I want either A or B. So that will be number of element in the A. Means those number which is divisible by 3 plus those number which is divisible by 5. But there is the one key point here. There will be some number which will be divisible by 3 as well as 5 also. That is nothing. Suppose this is the A. Or here all the numbers which is divisible by 3. And there is a B which is divisible by 5. But there, these are the number which is common, which is divisible by A as well, divisible by 3 as well as 5. I do this in this process, this portion I added 2 times, but I want only 1 time. So minus N of A and B means A and B both should not be there. So how many numbers will be there? Please first let me finish it out. So number divisible by 3 and 5 both. What does mean it? Means 15. 3 and 5 means what? 15. So 15, how many numbers which is divisible by 15? A intersection B. N of A intersection B will be what?
37.
5, 6, 7 divided by 15. How much? Greatest integer. That will come how much?
So 37.
37.
Okay, let me use calculator. My God, 37. Integral part only you have to take it. 37 integer. So I will say 189 plus 113 minus 37. And that's, I guess, it will be equal to 9, 3, 12. 12 minus 7, 5. And 189, 9, 8, 23. So 6. And this is 265.
So I got the same answer.
But you didn't send to me.
So I sent it to you.
Okay.
I got few wrong at the first, but then I got it.
Okay, very good. So all of you see, this is a very simple question, but it will make clear what is the meaning of including and excluding. So certain job you are going to do by the M way, certain job you are going to do by N way, but there is the, if you add them directly, there is the common value will repeat. So you have to remove one time. This is what the whole logic, nothing great about it. Let's see one more question. No, Shreyank, it's wrong answer. Please check it your answer.
Sir, is my answer correct or wrong?
I did not see your answer. Sheikh, no. Myra, I think you are giving answer to the office.
Oh, okay, sir. I see. Sir, I have. Okay, yes, sir. Got it. Sir, now.
Yeah, very much correct. Very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sheikh, it's wrong. Please check. Check it. 105 students appear for an examination, out of which 80 students pass in English. Vedic, correct. Vedic Agrawal. Out of which 80 students pass in English and 75 students pass in mathematics. Medansa is correct, Kunal correct, Jayad is still wrong. How many students fail in both the subject? That's what the question we have to find it out. So, total number of students is the 105. Those who are pass in English, answer is 10. I'm just telling those answer of this question should be 10. So out of 80 students pass in English. So suppose I'm just solving Mirza, check it here. Those, let's say E is the representing those who pass in English. M I'm taking as a pass in mathematics. So those students who pass in English or mathematics at least, either in English or in mathematics or both. Actually, total 105 students. They are asking that key. Those students only tell those who fail in every subject, means both the subject. So what I will do, I will remove those who passed English. I will remove that also, English only, who passed only maths. And I will remove that case also, who passed both. So automatically what will happen? We'll get that answer which both fail. So I want number of people who pass either English or mathematics or both. And that kind of statement we write by what? Union. So that will be equal to NE plus NM minus N of E intersection M. NE is given as what? 80 student. And NM given 75 student. Minus who pass in both 60. So that will be equal to 95. 95 students are there who are either in pass in English or in mathematics or both. And I don't want any one of them. So out of 105, 95 is the, at least they pass in one subject. So total balance will be what? 105 minus 95. That will be equal to 10. So 10 students are there who pass none of them. I'm sure it's clear to everyone. The next one. Try this. Sheikh, how 95 came? Check it here. No? E union M will be what? N of E means those students who pass in English plus those students who pass in mathematics. And here in this, there are some common element is there. What common element? Who pass in both examination. So I subtract one time from them. So we got what? This value already given. There are the 80 students who pass in English. So 80 plus 75 minus 60. So if you subtract 80 minus 60, 20. 20 plus 75, 95. So that and 95 students are there who pass in at least one of the subject. So out of 105 students, 95 are the pass in at least one subject. So 10 will be answer. Yes, somebody given answer for this question. Yes, Hamza is correct answer. We'll try. Sheikh, no, there is a mistake. Please do careful. Mirza is correct. Myra, there is a mistake. Small mistake. You have to find numbers between 999 and this. Yes, Amina, correct. You are very close to answer, Myra, but not correct exactly. Let's check it here. How many integers between 999 and 9999? Varshan is wrong. Shreyank is wrong. Okay, I will not check chart now. I'm going to discuss the question. So basically, between means what? Means I don't have to include this. I don't have to include this. So after this, what the number will come? 1000. It means I'm talking about the 4-digit number. Only 4-digit number. So suppose A represent numbers, number of numbers begin with 3. And B represent number of Myra, correct. Number of numbers end with 3. now let's do permutation. I want those numbers which begin with 3. Very good. Very simple. What to do? I will fix 3 here. Up this I will see that how many way I can fill it. This place I can fill by the anything, either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 ways. This place also I can fill by 10 ways. This place also I can fill by 10 ways. So total numbers NA will become what? 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. NB, think 4-digit number which end with the 3. End with 3. Now I have to fill. I will start from here. Why? Because 0 should not come here. Otherwise, it will become 3-digit number. So this place can be filled by 9 ways. This place can be filled by 10 ways. And this is also 10 ways. So the NB will be equal to 900. 900. And I want NA intersection B also, because I have to subtract. A intersection B means what? Begin with 3, end with 3. Means both statements should be true. So this place can be filled by 10 ways. This place can be filled by 10 ways or 100 ways. And what I want? I want either A should be true or B should be true or both should be true. Means indirectly they are talking A union B. So that will be NA plus NB minus N of A intersection B. NA will be your 1000 plus 900 minus 100, and that is going to be 1800. So that will be answer. I'm sure it's clear. The next question. Try this question already. You may leave the answer in terms of factorial also. I don't mind. No, Myra, how fast you got it, but I don't think that is correct.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
can you repeat numbers? Like, can you put the same number multiple times?
Are you talking about this question?
No, the current question. How many arrangements of the digits?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9.
Yeah, so can you repeat
Yes, yes. You can.
Okay.
Just a minute. Let me read the question. Dev, please wait. How many arrangement of the digits of the digit? No, you cannot repeat. I'm sorry. Please look at here. Because they
Okay.
gave you digits. You have to use only this digits only. You are not having
Okay.
any extra digit. Okay. No, Mavia Khan. No, that is the wrong answer. Hamza, no. Dev, there is a mistake. Myra, no. Let me do this question. Here is some hitch is there. How many arrangement of this there do not end with 8? First question thing is that. Do not end with 8. It's not mentioned that end with the 8. Do not end with the 8. Adnan, correct. One student given correct answer till now. Do not end with 8 and do not begin with 3. So let me check with that. First thing, how many arrangement of the digits total can be happen? Total.
So 10 raised to 10.
No. Repetition is not allowed. No. 10 factorial.
Or
Because
10
the total
factorial.
10 will be there. Minus those cases which belong. Suppose A representing end with the A, 8. With 8. B represent begin with 3. Reverse we go. So 10 factorial minus n of A union B. This line is clear to everybody. Means neither A should be happen, nor B should be happen, nor both should be happen. So 10 factorial minus n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. I'm not checking chart, so I'm just concentrating here. 10 factorial minus n of A. Of how many numbers are there which will be big end with the T? 8. So 8 fixes here, and now balance places can be filled by 9 factorial because there are total 9 object left. So 9 factorial minus, again, this is also 9 factorial plus minus. Begin with the 3 and end with 8. It means first place and last place is fixed. Only 8 places is left. So that will become 8 factorial. I'm sure clear to everybody. 10 factorial I can write 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Why? You'll understand. This 9 factorial I can write 9 into 8 factorial into 2 because this is the 2 time. Minus 8 factorial. So 8 factorial I can take common. 8 factorial common. 10 into 9, 90. And minus 8 factorial got 72 minus 1, 71. So that will be 8 factorial. Something wrong I did? No, sorry, I did mistake. 9 into 2, 18. 18 minus 1, 17, not 71. 17. 17. So 8 factorial into that will become, I think, 73. This will be answered, which will come as 2943360 if you expand. But you can leave answer this way, no problem. Is that any point which is not clear in the solution?
Sir, can you re-explain?
The question is what? Ki I have to find out those numbers. How many arrangement is there, which is in which it does not end with 8 and does not begin with 3. I'm going reverse way. I will check. Let's say A is the number of arrangement which end with the 8 and B begin with 3. So what will be NA? NA, what you will say? NA will begin with the end with the 8. So 8, this place can be filled by one way. Balance 9 place, 9 object. So that can be done by 9 factorial. NB will be also 9 factorial because 3 will be fixed. N of A intersection B will be what? Means begin with 3 and with 8. So only 8 places left. These 8 places can be done by 8 factorial way. Is that clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So 10 factorial minus all these cases, because this means what? Ki either A should be true or B should be true or both should be true. And I don't want any one of them. The total arrangement minus this arrangement I remove because they are saying do not. So whenever they are saying this arrangement, I don't want that number of arrangement, I remove. And that is I remove and got this. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
This is similar to previous question, first question, but slight change. I increase the number. One thing always remember, if there is a three cases is there, n of a, either a or b or c, or a and b, or b and c, or a, b, c. So this, how will you write it? Anybody can tell me?
Sir,
Nine.
n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c minus n of a intersection b intersection c.
Not minus, that will be plus.
Okay, sir.
Check it here, everybody. Suppose there are three elements. Sorry, three collection. Watch everyone. This way. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. NA means what? This total. NB means what? This total. It means we got this 2 times. So I will subtract minus N of A intersection B. NB plus NC, when you did, you got this also 2 times. So I subtract B intersection C. And this is also came 2 times. So again, I subtract C intersection A. But during this process, think carefully, everybody.
Plus we have to add 3.
This portion, this particular portion, 3 times added and 3 times subtracted. So means this is totally gone. I have to add 1 time. Because this is the common to all 3. One student give an answer. Yes, Hamza is very much correct. Kunal, there is you're close to answer, but that is not correct answer. Check your calculation. No. Mavia Khan, no. Adnan, very much correct. Okay, let's do. Myra, no, you are doing some calculation mistake. Please careful. Kunal, correct. Shreyang, correct. Suppose A is the divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So that will be, NA will be what? NA. We already calculated, I think. How much?
189.
Pardon? 189.
189.
Uh,
189.
189. Yes, 189 and 189. B divisible by 5.
113.
113. C divisible by 7.
81.
80. Oh. 81.
Divisible by 7 means greatest number of 5, 6, 7 by 7. So 7, 749, 7, 8 of 6. 8, 81. Yes, 81. Now I need A intersection B also. Means both that we already calculated, I guess, 37 divisible by 15. That will be what? N of A intersection B divisible by 15. That we already calculated. No? How much give me?
So 37.
37. B intersection C means divisible by B 35.
So
35 B intersection C will be equal to,
16.
I'll just use calculator. 567 divided by 35. It will be 16.
Yes, sir.
And C intersection A divisible by 21. So N of C intersection will be 567 divided by 21. I guess 27. And A intersection B intersection C means divisible by 35 into 3, 105.
5.
So N of A intersection B intersection C will be
5.
5. Let me take 567 divided by 105. It will be 5.
Sir, I got my mistake. I accidentally had, I had written, meant to write 81, but I accidentally mistake my writing 89.
Yes, tell me.
No.
Yeah, tell me. So this is adding 189 plus 113 plus 81 minus 37 minus 16 minus 27 plus 5. That will give you, I think, answer 308. I'm not doing calculation. I hope so. It's correct. So 308 numbers are there, which is the either divisible by 3 or 5 or 7. Let's see the next question. Is it clear? Anybody have any doubt, any step? Okay. Let's go to the next question.
Hello.
So what does it mean by do not form a single block?
Which line? Single block. Okay. Now, before starting this question, I wanted to tell you some cases of the de-arrangement. After that, we'll start this question. There is a term called as the de-arrangement. Suppose if I say A, B, C, 3 letters are there. What is the possible arrangement? What do you say? ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. This is the possible arrangement. I hope clear. So this was the original arrangement. This arrangement having 5 extra arrangement. These are called as the rearrangement, this total. Rearrangement of this particular arrangement. Now out of this, if you notice here, this part, this particular, if you notice, no object is in original position. Check it. B was second, so it became first. C was last, so it became middle. A was here. Any other which is not in the correct position, CAB also. Rest, everyone, at least one of them are in the correct position. For example, A, B, C, B. Do you notice that A is in the position what earlier was there, in the main. So de-arrangement means what? Arrangement in which no object go to original place. So if I ask you how many de-arrangement of ABC, you will say 2 de-arrangement is there. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. That's what called as the meaning of the de-arrangement. Whenever we have to do de-arrangement, that's we can use directly one formula. De-arrangement of n different objects. Be clear. N different objects will be n factorial into 1 by 0 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. This can be derived by using the recursion method. So on, last minus 1 power n by n factorial. I'm sure. Did you understand? It's a very simple to, very easy to. Or you can write, if you want to write in the proper way, n factorial into sigma minus 1 power k, 1 by k factorial, and k will vary from 0 to n. Both are same thing. I just wrote in the form of sigma. For example, let me show you. Suppose I say, yes, PDF will be sent in the group. Suppose I say, how many dearrangement of maths, letter of the maths, rearrangement of letter of maths. This. A maths is the one of the arrangement. I want to dearrange in such a way that M should not be in the first place, A should not be in the second place, T should not be in the third place, H should not be in the fourth place, S should not be in the fifth place. So what will say? Very simple. Why 5 object is there? So I will say 5 factorial into 1 by 0 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus till 5 factorial you are not getting, you have to keep alternate sign like this. And done. 5 factorial into, check it. These two are same because 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is also 1 to cancel. And 5 factorial I am sending inside. Watch everyone. So we'll get 5 factorial by 2 factorial minus 5 factorial by 3 factorial plus 5 factorial by 4 factorial minus 5 factorial by 5 factorial. So 5 factorial 120 divided by 260. 5 factorial 120 by 3 factorial is 6. So that will become 20. This is 5. This is 1. So total will be 45. There are maths, if you rearrange it, so there will be 45 words will be there, which is the dearrangement of maths.
So 46, right?
What? Yeah, 46. I'm sorry. No. Is it correct? No? 120 by 6. Kitna ho jayega? 20. And 60 minus 20, 40, 45 plus 1, 46. Minus 1. This is the minus 1. Sorry. This is minus 1.
So 44.
Yeah. So that will become 44. Give me 44. Correct? It's a very simple logic. There is nothing great about it. Now, using this logic, try to solve this question, which just now I given to you.
So what does it mean by single block?
If all the balls with the same color do not form a single block, means see 3 identical blue ball. So there is all these are blue. Now, and 4 identical red ball. Red is there 4. And 5 are means it's not joint, it's separated. I'm just writing joint. White ball. How many? 5. Now we have to dearrange so that B should not come as a single block. They should not come together. They should not come. Okay. It will be slightly bigger answer will come. Miss, you can leave answer in terms of factorial. Look at here. Answer writing in the chat box will be difficult for you. Total number of arrangement will be what? How many objects are there? 3, 4, 7, 7, 5, 12. Correct? The total number of arrangement, let's say n, will be equal to what? 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. This line is clear to everybody. This point. Total arrangement. I don't know what will be. Maybe all B will be together. Maybe 2B will be together. Maybe 1B will be together. This line is clear to everybody.
So why
Suppose
would it 12 factorial?
I will tell. Suppose I say A, B, C, D. I want to arrange. So first assume all this A is different. Assume. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 object arrangement will be 5 factorial. But in the arrangement, A and A interchanging not allowed. They can themselves, they can interchange, arrange in how many ways? 2 factorial, which is already included here. So divided by 2 factorial. That is the arrangement of this. If I say A, B, 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 C, D, E, F, the total how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Assume everything different. 9 factorial divided by these two arrangement is not allowed. The 2 factorial. This is also arrangement is not allowed because they are the same only. 3 factorial, and that's all. This will be answered. So here also you can see there are 3 B's there. So their internal arrangement is not allowed. The total number of object is what? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5. Total 12 object. Assume all are different. 12 factorial divided by arrangement of this, arrangement of this, arrangement of this. I hope it makes sense. Am I clear? Factorial means n factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into so on till n. In the previous session somewhere I told also. Now from this is the total. What they say, if all balls with the same color do not form a single block, means they should not be together. All the blocks should not be together. So what do you say? N minus those cases when B together, but not R and W, plus R together, but not B and W, plus W together, but not what is left? B and R together, plus same, including, excluding, you have to do. You have to take this one. They are asking, none of them should be together. Let me write other way. Can I write this n minus n of A, R union, B union, W? R means red balls are together. B means blue balls are together. W means white balls are together. So n minus, what is this? NR plus NB plus NW plus not plus, sorry, minus n of R intersection B minus n of R intersection W minus R n of B intersection W plus n of R intersection B intersection W. Please check it carefully. These are the cases when either R is together, or B is together, or W is together. I hope it makes sense. Correct. Think carefully. N value we already know, I'm not putting it. R together, anybody can tell me. If suppose you are having this B, R, W, 5 times. How many way we can arrange them so that the R is always together? What we'll do? We'll assume this is a single ball, single object, one object. So total how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial divided by internal arrangement of this is not allowed 3 factorial. Internal arrangement of this is also not allowed 5 factorial. This line, maybe you are not able to understand. Please let me know if you're having difficulty. Because this question will teach you so many concepts. Can you confirm? Is it clear?
Sir, it's clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Adnan.
Yes, sir.
So, by simple logic, whenever they say that key A, B, C, D, suppose if I say that key, in how many way we can arrange so that B and C always together. So what do? You assume as a single object, 1, 2, 3 object, 3 factorial into internal arrangement of B and C. So that will be 2 factorial. Because B and C can together, but 2 way together can be happen. Either B or CB. That's why 2 factorial I'm writing. Now, think here, that's what the logic I apply here. So this will be 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 5 factorial plus NB. Speak out. Can anyone speak? NB means all B should be together.
Sir, 9, wait 1 second, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think 10 factorial by,
Yes.
sorry, 4 factorial into 5 factorial.
Very good. This is considered as a single object. So total number of this is the 4 plus 5, 9 and one object this plus NW.
Sir, 7
Sir,
8
so
factorial.
8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial.
Yes.
Yes, very much.
Yes, sir.
Minus. Think R and B together. Means R together
And B together. So that means 7 factorial. 7 factorial by 5
5 factorial.
Yeah, 7 factorial by 5 factorial.
Listen to everybody. Now this will become one object, and these are the 5 objects. Total 7 objects. But in this arrangement is not allowed. So 5 factorial. Minus RW, this become one object, 1, 2, and 3 here. So 5 object, 5 factorial divided by how much? We are doing RW, no?
3
RW,
factorial.
3 factorial. Minus BW. So this become one object, 2 and 2 plus 4, 6 factorial divided by
4. No. Yes, that's
BW.
yes, 4 factorial.
4 factorial. Yes, because RR cannot be done. Plus, this is the point. All 3 should be together. Means this is also together.
So that means 3 factorial.
That's all. This will be your answer. That's why I said in the chat box we cannot write the answer. This will be the final answer. So here single block. This is what the meaning of this. Next question. I guess same kind of question. You can take it as a homework. I will not solve this. Other question we should solve. This file I will share in the group. Yes, this question. This question everybody try. Can we take it to simple number so that you can write the answer? N value, take n equal to 6. So that you can give the answer. Have you understand the question? Everybody? Take it here. First thing, 6 caps are there. Let's give the name of the cap is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, 6, and there are 6 human. I have to arrange this cap in such a way that no human should get the correct cap. So this is purely de-arrangement. The total number of giving cap is what number of arrangement will be 6 factorial. This is a total possibility. And how many way can go wrongly? Everybody get wrongly. That will be 6 factorial into 1 by 0 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial.
My answer.
Plus 1 by 6 factorial. I hope I am doing correct.
Yes.
This value, this is cancelled.
So that's 2.
This is cancelled. These two will get cancelled.
Yes.
So 6 factorial by 2 factorial, 120 by 2 means 60.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes. 6 factorial, this is 120 by 2 and minus 120 by 6, 20 plus 120 by 24. How much?
So that is going to be 2, sir. Oh, no, never mind, sir. Not. No, sir. I didn't mean that.
Let me do it, please. Okay. Minus, this is done, this is will done, and this one plus by 4 factor. So 5 into 6, 30. Minus 6 plus 1. So this will be equal to how much? 40, 70, and 64, 65. If I didn't do any calculation mistake. So probability will be what? 65 divided by 6 factorial. That means 65 divided by 120. If you have 5, I think cancel. 13 by how much? 224. This is the probability. Probability means whatever your favorite cases divided by total number of cases. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial is not 16.
6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 6 factorial, how much? Oh, I did mistake.
That is four.
I taken
Yeah.
I taken as a 5 factorial. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Is my mind 5 factorial was running. I'm sorry. 6 factorial is the 720. So we can say 720 by 2. How much? 360. And minus 720 by 6. 120. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Plus 6 into 5, 30.
Yes, sir.
6 plus 1. So this will be equal to our 240. 240 plus 30, 270. And 270 minus 5, 265. So answer probability will be 265 divided by 720. So 5 if we divide it, 5 is 25, 53 divided by 5 1 is 5. And
Why what's the answer?
Reshma, please check somebody's sound is coming, should be removed out. So this is the probability. Am I clear?
Sir.
Few question more homework I'm giving. Please try everybody.
Sir, nobody problem, sir.
So somebody XYZ is speaking.
Yeah, I remove from here.
Sir, please scroll up.
Yeah.
I want to write this question.
But I will share the PDF.
Okay, sir.
Are you in the group?
Yes.
Yeah. So in the group you'll get PDF. Don't worry.
Sir, I am
These two questions, please try all of you.
not there in the group.
Reshma, please add him in the group. Please call in the office where you did registration.
Okay, sir.
These two questions, all of
Yes.
okay. So see you in the next class, and next class we'll do selection based problem. Means how to do all the selection based problem, and few AMC old questions also will start. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.